Hi, my name is Brian Meeron, and this year I am your child's math teacher. Whether that math class is AP Statistics or AP Calculus BC, we are in for an awesome year. As it says here on my webpage that you're looking at, this year is the return to excellence, and I intend to live by that motto through the entire year. So just a little history about myself here. I'm sorry that I couldn't join you all tonight. I did have another commitment with another job, but I am happy to be able to meet you virtually and at your convenience. So not everything is bad here. But again, a little history about myself. I did go to the University of Missouri where I planned to major in journalism, and that didn't work out. So soon into my college career, I actually gained a love for math. Actually, from reading A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking, which is somewhere on that bookshelf behind me. So, read that book and I thought it was just really cool. Of course, I took calculus in 12th grade. I was forced to. I did not like math in high school. But then I took calculus again my freshman year in college. And all of a sudden, the pieces started, falling together in the right way. And I started to realize how cool mathematics is, how expansive the field is. And that's about when it hit me that I found out that the more I know about math, the more that I realized I didn't know it all. And in fact, that's still true of myself and of all of our students here at Walnut Hills this year. We're going to learn a lot. Unfortunately, we're going to find that there's a lot more we don't know. But that just sets the stage for future endeavors. Hopefully, a major in mathematics if college is in the future. So, after graduating from Mizzou, I randomly decided to move to Cincinnati, Ohio. I graduated high school actually in Louisville, Kentucky, about an hour and a half away. So Cincinnati, Ohio, not too far away from the parents, but started at Winton Woods High School, worked there for 5 years from 2000 to 2005. Learned a lot of fantastic things at Winton Woods, and I have undying love for the Warriors up there in Forest Park and Green Hills. But after 5 years, it was time to move on, and found myself at Lakota West High School up in Westchester. And for 12 years, I was at Lakota West. Loved my time there, and worked my way up to become the AP Statistics and Calculus BC teacher at Lakota West. And I enjoyed it. I loved it. But things happened, and again, it was time for me to move on. And through the help of Miss Sandy Coatson, who is our AP Physics teacher here at Walnut, with her help, with the help of Dr. Bill Gordon, who was the BC Calculus and Computer Science A teacher prior to this year, I found myself at Walnut Hills High School, and it's been a good ride since. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at this academic institution. This is, I believe, my 6th year here at Walnut Hills. And, over the last 6 years, the AP Statistics teacher moved to Arizona. So myself and Miss Leah Madigan took over. This is both of our third years teaching AP Statistics. Forget about that COVID year in there. So this is our 3rd year teaching AP Statistics together. Again, because Dr. Gordon just retired this past summer, this is now my 1st year teaching BC Calculus at Walnut Hills High School. Now, both of these courses I taught for 5 years at Lakota West. So neither one is new to me, but the new academic push, the new curriculum, the new digital tools that we have available to us. Although I know the content, BC Calculus is a new adventure in pedagogy and fine tuning my skills. And AP Statistics, we're just working every year on making sure that every year is better than the previous year. And so far, that has held true. Our AP results, Miss Madigan and myself, have consistently for 2 years anyway, been higher than the global average and the Ohio average. So our students are helping us to look good for certain, and hopefully we're helping them as well, not just with learning some really cool, interesting stuff, but, also getting some college credit along the way. Um, in addition to my teaching duties here at Walnut Hills, I also do run the math team, which is an incredible group of young folks who enjoy recreational mathematics. I'm actually in charge of a state level math contest that the top 100 students in the state get invited to in Columbus. It's incredible. It's incredible. So watching the math team just go beyond the curriculum is awesome. And math team, once we start up, which should be soon, we'll meet every Tuesday after school in my room 1309. I'm also the head coach for the Walnut Hills Academic Quiz Team, and another incredible academic group that consistently makes it to the national competition, and just a fun group of young people and great competitors and very smart folks at that, if you didn't know. But back to the AP Stats and BC Calculus here. Right now, we are looking at my website. And that website can be found literally just by Googling my name, Brian Meeron. You Google it, it should be the very first site that comes up, and you see it right here. So let me run you through this website real quick, just to give you an idea of how you can see what assignments we're doing every day, how you can view the syllabus if you so choose, whatever you need. So again, here on the website, there is a row of tabs along the top. I'm going to click on the BC Calculus tab, although the AP Stats tab is very similar. Both tabs do have the syllabus. So again, if you want to read about how we're scoring in this course, the grading, the breakdown of tests and quizzes and assignments, and for AP Statistics, we also have classwork and projects and things like that. Required materials, calculators, whatever you need to know. Check there in the syllabus and you'll find all kinds of great stuff. Oh, by the way, speaking of calculators, my highest recommendation of calculators for both classes is the TI-84 Plus. This is a sweet calculator. It does everything that we need to do for both AP Statistics and BC Calculus. You gotta love your calculator, and then it loves you back. Mwah. However, for those who are in BC Calculus, the College Board does allow calculators with computer algebra systems, my favorite being the TI-89 Titanium Edition. Now, don't go run out and get this, but if your student is really, truly interested in furthering their mathematics, this is a calculator that could really help them along the way. It'll solve for X. It'll treat variables algebraically. It does things that normal calculators won't. And boy, do I love it for that reason. I love you, TI-89 Titanium. Mwah. I'm also married and have a son, and I love them both as well. All right, so again, on the website here, you saw how to get to the syllabus. If you want to see what we're doing every day of the year, and yes, this will be a running thing, all right, all the way back to August 19th, and all the way up until the end of the current week. So you can see that if your student is in Calculus BC, these are the homework assignments. These are the lessons we're doing every day. Quizzes. Yeah, if you're actually watching this Thursday evening, that means that your BC student did have a quiz today. And I do pride myself on grading those quizzes very quickly. So hopefully they'll get it back on Friday. Of course, AP Statistics also has its assignment matrix right there. And you can see how that one works. Again, if it's Thursday, there's a quiz tomorrow, Chapter 2. There you go. So anytime your student is absent, or if you just want to keep tabs on what's going on in class, feel free to go to the website, click on the appropriate class tab on the top there, and you can look at the assignments matrix. Oh, but what if you want to see the notes that we're working on in class? Well, those notes are also here. Here's the notes for lesson 2-3 in BC Calculus. This is how we run class. We go over these examples. We fill in these theorems and definitions. And that way, when your student is working on their homework, they have reference material to look back on, as well as extra practice under their belt. Always a good thing. As far as AP Statistics, We do a lot of group work, a lot of activities in that class. You might have heard about the M&Ms that we kind of sampled with on Tuesday, things like that. So again, if you click on the correct unit and beginning of the year, we're still in Unit 1, of course. But here's a bunch of worksheets, notes, extra stuff, extra resources for Chapter 2. And when we get to Chapter 3, there's some stuff right there. Now, we don't use all of these materials. Like I said, a lot of them are just reference. A lot of them are worksheets I've used in the past and have since decided not to. But there's all kinds of stuff on there. And feel free to peruse all you like. As far as the BC Calculus site, though, I should warn you, this is a work in progress. Yeah, because this is my first year teaching this class. I'm still working on writing all the notes and getting them uploaded to this website. So have patience. By the end of the year, it will all be there. I promise. All right. So, the last things I really need to say is if you ever need to contact me for any reason at all, please feel free to do that. My email address is similar to every other teacher in the school, quite honestly, Meeron B at, whatever. I do make it a point to get back to emails within 24 hours. I do, of course, get all emails on my cell phone. So I know as soon as you've contacted me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I am able to. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach me that way. I also have a phone in my classroom that I really need to learn how to use. I'll work on that. But go ahead and email me. I'll get back to you. And if there's anything I can do for you or your student during the course of this year, please don't hesitate to let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for checking out this video. I wish I could have met you all tonight, but hopefully that chance will come again in the near future. So thanks again. Have a great evening, and I'll talk to you all soon.